Hey guys, James from Loviz. Just a quick video demonstrating tripod rear and some of the benefits and some of the small traps that people will fall into if they haven't practiced it in their own time or they're trying new equipment. The benefit of tripod rear is instead of being at the balance point like that, you can bring the rifle all the way back, bring the tripod in, and now you've just increased your surface area from one small bag to about 70 or 80 centimeters. As far as setting up the tripod goes, you want to get it higher than you think you need, because you don't want to be fighting with the apex of the tripod when you're moving into position. Now if we were going to move from position to position, stand up, move the rifle, get that done, bring the tripod from right to left, aim the rifle towards the target, clamp the rear support. Again, we try and keep the legs as far apart as we can. Build up a position, check level, take up a side picture, make minor adjustments, chamber around, take up the slack, and fire a shot. With this rear Admiral at the back, that's just a medium in between the stock and the hard surface. If that's not there, you've got the tripod scratching on the carbon fiber and it gets really jittery and it's hard to maintain your position and find vertical and make minor adjustments. We grab the tripod, bring it in from the right to the left. With our weapon arm, we hook that underneath the tripod leg that we're going to use, and then we can build the position by clamping the stock against the tripod with our support hand, building a nice level platform. This arm reaches in between the tripod, then we can chamber around and we can fire, and it's like shooting off a bench with a rear bag and a bipod. That's how you do that with a Shmedium bag. Off a single bag, things can be a lot more exaggerated, especially on things like cattle gates and grids and chains and stuff that we generally would try and avoid shooting without 2 points of contact. If you were going to use a rail bag like this one here, again, it's an Armageddon Gear product. We can slide that on or clamp it on. We would like to get that as far away from the stock as we can. There's no point having it at the fulcrum if we can get it further away and increase that distance between the front and rear support. The bag comes with the rifle. You haven't got a bag, a rifle and a tripod, so there's 2 bits of kit instead of 3. This is my preferred method here. So the rail bag's clamped on. We've got a rear Admiral at the back here. We aim the rifle towards the target. We bring the tripod from the right to the left, build our rear support there, aim at the target, move into position, clamp down the back end, rifle's level, chamber around, take up the slack and squeeze a shot. I got to watch the round through the air. Nothing moves, everything's rock solid. That's one of the main benefits of tripod rear. James from Loviz Gear, that's tripod rear. Thanks.